Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So last video we discussed about linear regression. Now in this video we will discuss about the various evaluation matrices. We have evaluation matrices. We for basically evaluation matrices for evaluating your model. But what is the how good is your model performing on any unseen data or any new data? So first of all, what is this evaluation metrics? This is nothing but uh, there are certain ways and methods we use to test the performance of the model on the test data और unseen data. मतलब कि आपने अपने मॉडल को ट्रेन किया ट्रेनिंग डेटा के ऊपर, जो इनपुट डेटा है आपके ऊपर, आपको एक सर्टेन आउटपुट मिला, बट इन केस यू गेट सम न्यू डेटा पॉइंट्स इन फ्यूचर और यू गेट सम न्यू डेटा सेट. So will your model be able to uh, predict accurately? And if yes, then how much accurate your model will be on any unseen data or any new data? So basically, how your machine learning model will work is, so first of all, this is your model, and we will give the input, and it will give us the output. So how accurate this output will be? So इसी को हम टेस्ट करते हैं using various evaluation matrices. So we have a number of evaluation matrices to evaluate your linear regression model. So in this video we'll discuss about a few, and in the next video we'll discuss the remaining. So let's continue. So first of all, let me clear this area. So to start off with, the first the first way which we are going to learn is mean squared error. Mean squared error. So what is this mean squared error? This is this mean squared error is actually one of the most used methods. We even use this as a loss function. So इसका फॉर्मूला बहुत सिंपल है. इसका फॉर्मूला कुछ ऐसा दिखता है जिसमें कि हम I is equal to 1 to 1 summation yi minus yi hat. Now let's try to understand what is this formula. So ये is actually your actual output yi, and yi hat is your predicted output, n is number of records. Okay, and one thing I forgot here is square. This is mean squared error. So this is basically the mean of the square of the errors. Okay, so let's say we have a graph here where years is the independent variable, the input variable, salary is the output, and we have certain points here, and now we get the best fit line. I was not able to draw straight. अभी फिर से try करते हैं एक बार. चलो, let's assume this is the best fit line. So now you see this is the prediction and this is the actual. This is the actual point. This is the actual point and this is the prediction, corresponding prediction from our model. So ये जो distance है, you know, this is yi minus yi hat, इसका square, and then summation for all the points, and then dividing it by the number of points. This is our mean squared error. So this was the graphical explanation for your mean squared error. So now there are certain advantages with it. So this is mean squared error is basically differentiable, due to which we use it as a loss function. Secondly, इसके जो कुछ डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं इसमें, as you can see, we are taking the square, so the unit of MSC is not same as of output variable, due to which थोड़ा सा इसको इंटरप्रेट करने में मुश्किल होता है, because the unit is not same. So let's say your MSC value comes as 25, let's say. So now you don't know कि ये 25 का क्या मतलब है. This is, you cannot say that the error is 25, the mean error is 25 lakhs, because the unit is not same. And the second disadvantage is that if there are outliers in your data, then the MSC will get very highly impacted. For example, this is your data, this is the best fit line, and there is a value here. This is basically an outlier. So now if we see, अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो ये जो distance होगा ये बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, and then we are taking a square of it. So if there are outliers, MSC will get very highly impacted by the outliers. So we say that it is not robust to outliers. Not robust to outliers. So now let's move on to the next evaluation matrix. First of all, let's clear this area. The second evaluation matrix which we are going to learn is very similar to the MSC, which is nothing but RMSC. So now this RMSC is nothing but the mean of MSC. We call it root mean square, root MSC, root mean squared error. Or in other form we can write RMSC as 1 by n this is the formula for RMSC. Everything remains same. Advantage, there is one advantage for RMSC over MSC, that is इसका जो unit होगा will be same as the output variable. So this will be easier to interpret. And secondly, it is not that robust to outliers compared to the mean absolute error, जिसके बारे में अभी हम पढ़ने वाले हैं, the next evaluation matrix which we are going to look at. So now let's clear this area. The third evaluation matrix which we are going to see now is we call it as mean absolute error. So ये mean absolute error क्या है कि this basically we take the difference between the actual and predicted, and we take the absolute value of that difference, and then we take the mean of that. This is mean absolute error. This is very simple. So advantage क्या है? Same unit, advantage, same unit, easy to interpret, and it is robust to outliers. Disadvantage क्या है इसका? There's a very big disadvantage actually, that this mod, this function is not differentiable at the center. So basically, when the MA is 0, that is when the actual output and the prediction is both are equal, this won't be differentiable, due to which we cannot use it as a loss function. we cannot use it as a loss function. So these are the three evaluation matrices which we plan to discuss for this video. In the next video we'll discuss about something called as R squared and adjusted R squared. So इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. If you like the content of this video, please do consider subscribing the channel, and also like the video and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much.